Welcome to Smart Story Studio, where timeless truths come alive through powerful scripture stories filled with lessons, emotions, and transformation. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss any of our weekly uploads. Now, let's dive in. Long ago, in a land ruled by Prophet Dawud, A.S., two women approached him with a case of dispute. Each claimed to be the mother of a young child. The first woman spoke of how she had given birth, but the other had tricked her and taken the child. The second woman asserted the same story in reverse. Prophet Dawud, A.S., renowned for his fairness, listened intently to both sides and pondered. He decided that splitting the custody of the child was the fair choice. However, each woman vehemently demanded the child's total guardianship. Amidst their tears and pleas, a voice from the assembly spoke. It was Prophet Sulaiman, A.S., the wise son of Dawud. Prophet Sulaiman suggested a drastic test. He proposed to cut the child in half and give each woman a part, knowing fully that this would reveal the truth. The real mother, filled with compassion, immediately yelled, "No, let her have the child," sacrificing her claim to protect the young life. Prophet Sulaiman then pointed to the woman who had spoken selflessly, declaring her the true mother. Through this, the true sense of justice and wisdom was displayed, illuminating the lesson that true love and compassion unveil genuine truths beyond spoken claims. Dawud, A.S., nodded in agreement, acknowledging the depth of Sulaiman's wisdom, and remarked, "Indeed, wisdom helps seek true understanding before judging." The resolution brought peace to the court, and the rightful mother and child were united. Justice with wisdom builds trust. Subscribe to Smart Story Studio. Moral: true wisdom looks deeper than appearances. It listens with the heart and judges with compassion and insight. Actionable plans. 1. Pause before judging. Don't rush to conclusions. Hear both sides clearly. 2. Ask thoughtful questions. Sometimes wisdom lies in what you ask, not just what you hear. 3. Learn to discern intentions. Pay attention to actions, not just words. Truth often reveals itself through reactions. 4. Study stories of justice in Islam. Reading how prophets judged can sharpen your own sense of fairness. 5. Pray for wisdom. Like Sulaiman, A.S., ask Allah, "My Lord, grant me wisdom and righteous judgment." What a journey through faith, failure, and God's unfailing love. If this story moved you or taught you something powerful, drop a comment below and tell us what stood out the most. And don't keep this truth to yourself. Share this video with a friend who needs some light and encouragement today. Remember, here at Smart Story Studio, we tell stories that inspire, teach, and transform lives. Subscribe now for more emotional, dramatic, and truth-filled scripture stories that shape your mind and spirit. Until next time, stay inspired, stay strong, and stay rooted in the Word.